Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited that you're joining me today because we're going to make something out of my grandmother's cookbook. This is Ida Bailey Allen's money-saving cookbook, copyrighted in 1940. Now we're going to make the quick Parker House rolls, and I'm shaping them in the clover leaf shape. I'm so excited to try this recipe, so hang with me because you know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. So in my sauce pot here, I have 2 cups of milk. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm just going to cook this until the butter melts. You want your milk to be warm, not hot, and you can test the temperature just by putting your finger in. Add 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry active yeast to a mixing bowl, and then pour in your warm milk. Stir until your yeast starts to activate, and you'll be able to tell because it'll be slightly foamy. Now the recipe calls for 5 to 5 1/2 cups of flour. I'm going to start by adding 4 cups. And then 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. And then I'm going to give it a stir. All right, so at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add the last cup of flour. And then I'm just going to start taking my hands and working that flour into the dough. And now I'm just going to dump it out onto my counter. And I'm going to begin to knead this dough. And this will take 8 to 10 minutes to knead it till it's nice and smooth. All right, pour a little bit of oil in the bottom of your bowl and then just spread it all around. This just helps that dough from sticking to the bowl. And then you're going to want to cover it and let it rise until it doubles in size, and this will take a couple hours. Voila, there it is. Punch that dough down, dumping it back onto my counter, and then I'm just going to begin to cut it into pieces. Now I've got my kitchen scale here, and I'm going to cut these dough until they each are around 2 1/2 ounces a piece. I'm going to lightly grease my muffin tin, and then I'm going to cut each of those pieces into thirds, roll them into little balls, and then place those balls into the muffin cup. Now, if you wanted to, you could just take each dough ball and make one big roll instead of the clover shaped. Then you'll want to cover them and let them rise for an additional 30 minutes. And then after this last rise, bake them in a 375-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And then I am brushing some melted butter right over top. Look at these, beautiful. Are these not the most beautiful rolls you've ever seen? They just turned out perfect. There is something to be said for those old recipes. But you guys, come check them out. When I have a roll that is this good, I swear I can eat them just like this. Now, of course, I like butter and jam on my rolls, but these are just delicious. They are light and fluffy. Make these for Thanksgiving. Make them. They are delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. God bless, and I will see you next time.